Hello, I'm Nitro, an embedded system developer and drone technologist. I specialize in firmware development for different microcontrollers such as bare metal or RTOS-based systems. In this video, I will guide you through understanding how electrocardiogram sensors work and explore the metrics that can be obtained from these sensors. We will be using the Texas Instruments AFE4950 analog frontend with the Nordic nRF52832 MCU equipped with UART and BLE and a set of electrodes. Electrocardiography is used to help diagnose various heart conditions as arrhythmias, heart attacks, pacemaker functions, and heart failure. In this image, you can see a segment of heart activity recorded by ECG sensor. The QRS complex begins with a small downward deflection called the Q wave, followed by a larger upward peak known as the R wave, and concludes with a downward deflection called the S wave. The QRS complex represents ventricular depolarization, which initiates the contraction of the ventricles. After this, the T wave appears as a smaller upward deflection, indicating ventricular repolarization as the ventricles reset for the next contraction cycle. To set up measurements, follow these steps. Place the electrodes as shown in the photo, ensuring they are positioned as close to the heart as possible for optimal signal quality. Connect the electrodes to the AFE4950 development kit. Connect the Nordic nRF52832 dev board to the AFE via the SPI interface. Connect a USB to AR converter to the nRF and the PC. Run a custom test application that displays electrocardiogram data. After connecting the electrodes and all components, launch the application to conduct a simple test. The first measurement will be taken at a rest, where we observe a lower heart rate. For the second measurement after exercise, we will see an increase in this value and can observe how it gradually returns to baseline. The study of heart is a complex procedure that requires data filtering to remove noises, advanced analysis, and sophisticated algorithms to process measurements accurately. At Nordic Technologies, we are here to assist you with your embedded design projects, covering electronics, firmware, software, and mechanical design to ensure successful implementation and optimal results.